Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into the absolute best ways to use the Morph transition in PowerPoint. Get ready to level up your presentations. First up, at number 5, the flying iron effect. It's dynamic, it's engaging, and it'll make your text and images pop. Start with a cool background image, add a transparent overlay for depth, and throw in your text. Use clean fonts like Avenir Next and Sign Painter. Duplicate the slide, move those text boxes off screen, and add your supporting text. Remember, stagger their positions for a sweet speed variation. Apply the Morph transition and BEM, instant professional polish. Number 4, creative transitions. Ditch those boring fades. We're making segmented slides with style. Start with your background, add your title, and duplicate the slide. Now, divide the slide into thirds and throw in some circles, icons, and text. Align everything perfectly, and remember to use those grid lines. Make those icons blend by filling them with a background color. Then, copy those elements to the first slide, drag them down, and stagger them. Morph transition and boom. A smooth, engaging topic transition. And don't forget, you can use this for full slide transitions too. Just drag those elements off screen and morph it. Coming in at number 3, the zoom effect. This one's super dynamic. Picture this, a welcome slide that smoothly zooms into your content. Let's make it. New slide, background image, and title. Duplicate, move the title off screen, and enlarge that background image. Add your circles, icons, and supporting text. Morph transition, and you got a killer zoom effect. Plus, you can reverse it for a cool exit. Number 2, scaling. Perfect for highlighting products or details. We're zooming in on this Tesla. Gradient background, your product image, and some stylish text. Duplicate the slide, enlarge the image, and add your numbered bullet points. Drag those bullet points off screen, morph the transition, and you've got a smooth scaling animation that draws the eye. And finally, my absolute favorite, the reveal effect. This one's mind-blowing. Get a picture with a clear foreground object. Remove the background, copy the foreground, and paste it on the next slide. Add your text, position it, and give it some drop shadow. Now, add some cloud PNGs, position them, and duplicate the slide. Drag those clouds off screen, hide the text behind the foreground, and morph it. So there you have it. Flying in, creative transitions, zoom, scaling, and the awesome reveal effect. These morph tricks will transform your presentations. If you want more PowerPoint tutorials, check out the video on screen. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.